Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Raven Aaliyah. If you're new here, subscribe, friend, tap in, join Raven Gang, you know, all that good stuff. And if you're not, welcome back, Raven Gang. So today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I achieved this look from start to finish. Yeah, that part. Let's tap in because I know y'all see the color. This wig is the bomb.com. Yeah, this is the wig fresh out of the bag. I haven't done anything to it, haven't bleached the knots, nothing. As y'all can see, it's giving bob, it's giving burgundy. I'm gonna get a little closer so y'all can see the knots on the lace. It came with this side part. I haven't done anything to it at all, so this is what we're working with. As you guys can see, I've already done my ball cap off camera. I usually don't use a ball cap, but when doing colored wigs, it's just a preference for me to help give scalp tease. You know, the girlies like to give scalp. Where's the lace? Here, I'm just combing the hair back so it's out of my way, and then positioning the lace to where I'm gonna want it to lay after I place the glue. Afterwards, I plugged in my hot comb and I clipped the hair back so it stays out of my way. Now I'm gonna comb the hair back with the hot comb to settle those flyaways, just to ensure that they don't get stuck in the glue once I start laying my lace down. Starting with the center of my head, I put down a single layer of glue. I know some people use the tail of the comb, but I hate having to try to get glue off my comb, and it's just easier for me, so I like to use popsicle sticks to lay the glue down. Then I blow dry the glue until it starts to get clear and tacky, and add a second layer and repeat the process again. Once the glue becomes tacky and mostly clear, I lay my lace where I want it, and then I use my comb to press the lace down into the glue while simultaneously combing the hair back. Then I do the same process with the comb while blow drying on cool to set the glue. I'm weak, y'all. I had to stop filming for a second because my little brother wanted to say hi. You know, that's my twin in them. Alright, so we're back, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did in the center of my head on both sides. So I'm gonna just speed through this part because y'all already seen the process. So yeah. Now I'm going to use my handy dandy elastic band and tie down my lace. I tie the hair back first to make tying the band down easier. I didn't want the hairs getting caught in the band while I was trying to tie it in the back of my head. Then I cut off the excess lace so I could see better, because when I tell y'all, gang, it was blocking my peripheral. I could not see. After about 10 minutes, I took off the band and I started using my lace adhesive spray to melt the lace and give a little extra security. Then I combed the hair back after to press down the lace and make sure that the hair didn't get stuck to the lace. Now I'm going to reapply the elastic band and I'm going to leave it on for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I remove the band and then I begin to cut my lace using an eyebrow razor. I'm very cautious while I'm doing this because I don't want to nick myself with the razor. The worst thing is having one of those little forehead cuts. Like, Don't hate me, y'all, but I didn't realize my camera had stopped recording. So here's the recap. I did do a little swoop baby hair on the sides and I set the hair with some loosened flexi rods. Bear with me. Now here's the takedown. Now that the rods are out, I'm gonna separate and tease the curls with my wide tooth detangling comb. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna go get dressed so y'all can see the finished look, period. Okay guys, so as y'all can see, this is the finished look. I love this wig. I really love it. It's the color for me. Like, do y'all see me? Your girl is glowing, okay? Glowing in the red. Hot Girl Slim is back at it again. Yeah, I like the way that sound. Y'all like the way that sound? I like the way that sound. That sound good to me. It sound real good. Purr. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, join Raven Gang. Y'all know how that go. The button is right there below. Tell me what y'all think about this install, what y'all think about this wig, girl. And then you could go on Amazon and order you one and tell them that Raven sent you, because baby, do you see the way that the girls are saying this frontal right here? And the wig is so full and thick. We love that. We hate thin bobs. So yeah, they ate this one up. Definitely go tap in, tell them Raven sent you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Much love as always. Bye guys.